If this is your first time watching any of my video, please like, subscribe and turn on post notification for more video, and if you have any question or others, leave it in the comment section. In this video I will be reviewing the Logitech MK270 wireless keyboard and mouse. The Logitech MK270 wireless keyboard and mouse combo is perfect for the home office or workplace. Ditch the touchpad for this full-size keyboard and mouse. Easily connect using Logitech's plug and forget receiver. Just plug it into the USB port, and you're ready to work. There's no lengthy installation procedure to slow you down. When you're on the move, the receiver stores comfortably inside the mouse. Both the keyboard and mouse included in the MK270 combo use wireless 2.4 GHz connectivity to provide seamless, interruption-free use. Use the keyboard within a 10 meters range without dropouts or keyboard lag. The Logitech MK270 is a pretty simple keyboard, measuring 17.5 by 5.5 by 0.75 inches and weighs just over a pound. The keys have a comfortable touch. If you try to bend it with some pressure, it somehow gives in, which is common at this price point. It doesn't have a palm rest as you'd expect of a wireless keyboard, but it gets a pair of retractable feet that prop the keyboard from the surface at an 8-degree angle. The Logitech MK185 mouse is light, weighing just 2.5 ounces, and offers a fairly hard plastic grip. Its scroll wheel has a bumpy feel with a pair of easy-to-click buttons. One thing you'll like with this mouse is the ability to program its middle button using the newer Logitech Options app. You can use the function button to execute dozens of options, including opening programs, locking the screen, minimizing windows, assigning keystrokes and more. All of your information is securely transmitted to your computer using 128-bit AES encryption. Work for longer with the MK270's long battery life. The keyboard can be used for up to 24 months, and the mouse for 12 months, without replacing batteries. The Logitech MK270 keyboard includes 8 hotkeys that are programmable to your most used applications to boost your productivity. Overall, the Logitech MK270 is the one for you if you're looking for a basic mouse-keyboard combo with an attractive price, which allows you to access your media applications and work remotely at a distance from your computer. I would not recommend this for advanced users, but if you're looking to buy a wireless combo in this price range, then I would definitely recommend this product. If interested in purchasing the Logitech MK270 wireless keyboard and mouse, or for more info, click the link in the description.